Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out. Welcome back to our channel. We're all about tasty food made easy. Today we're gonna make lobster baked potato. Start by poking holes in 2 large potatoes using a fork a dozen times. Then place the potatoes on a parchment-lined baking sheet and bake in the oven at 425 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. The potatoes are done when they reach 210 degrees internal temperature or when a knife can easily pass through the center. While the potatoes are baking, start preparing the lobster tails. Use a pair of strong kitchen scissors to cut along the shell on the back of the lobster tail up to the tail fin. Then bend open the shell to expose the meat. Use a sharp knife to cut the meat down to the swimmerets. Then bend apart the shell so the meat can lay flat in the pan. Then prepare the butter sauce for the lobster tail. Add 1 tablespoon of melted butter into a mixing bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a half a teaspoon seasoning, such as Old Bay or all-purpose seasoning. You can also use Cajun seasoning if you like it spicier. Mix the ingredients well and brush on the butter sauce onto the lobster tail. Then place the lobster tail in a grill pan with the meat facing down and grill for 3 to 4 minutes. Then turn over the lobster tail and brush on the butter sauce again and grill for another 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure the lobster meat reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit in the middle of the meat using a digital meat thermometer. And now it's time to prepare the creamy butter sauce for the potato. Add 1/3 of a cup of butter into a hot saucepan. When the butter is melted, add half a cup of chicken broth. Then 2 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add 1 minced garlic clove and 1/4 teaspoon salt. And lastly, add 1 teaspoon hot sauce if you like it a little bit spicier. Stir and bring to a boil. You can heat the lobster tails by adding them to the sauce in half-inch pieces. When the potatoes are done, cut open the top and mash the potatoes on the inside. Then pour on some sauce, add the lobster pieces, and be generous with the sauce again. What is your favorite topping for the baked potatoes? Let us know in the comments. Garnish with some fresh chopped parsley, and there you have it, the lobster baked potato. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.